Well, hello again on YouTube. I am in my room. The weather has turned very inclement out here. You would think the hurricane is hitting here with the way it looks out there right now. It is just a very heavy wind driven rain that has moved in. Almost looks like a tropical storm out there. So I am really glad I did not go anywhere today. I have spent most of my day in the room. I did check on the truck this morning, but one of the parts still has not come in. It's even iffy it will be here Monday now, so I don't know what I'm going to do. They said, well, you could drive it out now and the codes might come back. Yeah, if the codes come back, I'm going to be stranded. So I'm staying here 2 more nights. I was thinking earlier about going on a hike because the sun was out, but then I saw the clouds starting to build in the sky again. I said, no, I'm staying. And if I had gone, this is what I would have been out in. And I haven't looked at the satellite. The hurricane is moving into the Texas coast now. It did intensify. Um, this is probably indirectly related to it. But the actual hurricane is many hundreds of miles away, so this is probably one of the very outer bands because the storm did gain strength overnight before making landfall. And even though it wasn't that intense, it covered a big area of the Gulf. It expanded to cover almost 3/4 of the Gulf of Mexico was being affected by it this morning. And we had the bands from it even yesterday because I shot my last video. We got slammed with that thunderstorm. Thankfully, the lightning, I was out in that open area. The lightning, though, at least for a little while, stopped and then it started again, but it was all up in the clouds, so it wasn't coming down to the ground. But the rains were very heavy yesterday. Even with the rain gear on, I still got completely wet because the rain was coming down like this. So again, I'm going to be here by the looks of it at least till Monday now. And the rain continues to fall, has not let up, and the sky just looks completely um, with completely covered with thick clouds now. So, and then we have the hurricane in the Pacific, which is bearing down on Hawaii. And last year, in my high risk areas, I named Hawaii. I mean, the high risk areas are still the same this year. And keep in mind that in 1992, which was a global cooling year, Hawaii did get hit with a hurricane that year. So I'm probably not going to go anywhere today. I'm going to pretty much hang out in the room. There is a restaurant some distance away that will deliver food here. So, I'm trying to think if there's anything else. Yeah, yesterday, yeah, it rained like this for about 30 minutes yesterday on my hike back. And then it let up, but it remained overcast the remainder of the day. It didn't never really cleared up until it got dark. And coming back, I did see the wild boars again. They may have been the same ones I saw earlier in the day because they didn't seem that afraid of me. They just kind of sauntered away. They didn't really act like they were scared or anything. And then I saw a wild turkey, which I didn't expect. So that is going to be it for this video. I just thought I wanted to share the fact that it is storming out right now. And it's more than just a thunderstorm. This is a pretty big weather system we're getting affected by here.